his email. Dr. Simone Gould. Jeez, it's so cold down here. Walmart is so better.
You know what? I've been sitting here listening to a group of really funny guys. It's been fun on 80 meters using my Wonder Wire end bed, of course. And you know what's interesting? Look at the frequency. Boy, does that bring back memories. My very first piece of ham gear was a Globe Scout 680, World Radio Labs, WRL, Globe Scout 680, that my dad bought me from the union paper, we called it, where people that worked for Chevrolet could buy and sell. It was a buy and sell swap page. These are the days long before the internet. And I had one crystal, 3717. The novice segment of the band was from 3700 to 3725. And I made my first contact on 3717 as a novice, running about 20 watts. And hang on, I'm going to pause you. Now let's switch to the topic of this video. I'm going to see my brother Art in Dayton tomorrow. He's older. He's 9 years older than I. And unfortunately, he has a couple spots of bladder cancer, or he did. Now he has one spot. I went down and took him to his surgery last month. And the bigger, more worrisome spot will be dealt with tomorrow, and hopefully it's benign. But on to the topic of the video. Top 10 steps for a successful portable QRP operation. Now, I can't speak for a portable operation, but I would think it's no different than a home operation if you have a good antenna while in the field, right? It all comes down to one. Sure, you could come up with 10 steps, and it's an article on EHAM, or should we call it HEHAM? E-spam. I've been operating QRP since 1975. Right? And 99.99% CW though. And for me, it all comes down to one magical rule, which is for me not just a rule, it is the law. And that is never, do not ever be afraid to call somebody because you think you're too small and too weak and you won't be heard. I say nay. I have almost never heard a station calling CQ on the air from anywhere on earth that won't hear me with my 5 watts. If I can hear him, he'll hear me, almost assuredly. If he's running power, well, he's also probably running a highly directional antenna, which favors us both. And believe me or not, man, it's true. Do not ever be afraid to call a station because you're a QRPer. I found this to be true my whole life. Just my 2 cents worth. The opinion of Blozo the Humble Ham, who, by the way, adores CW. Take care and be well. 73.